Hi there. Let's take a look at silver chart. We'll cover the weekly market structure and also check out the short-term trend so you can learn how to assess the risk of next price move, even if you're new to chart analysis. So, from a big picture perspective, silver is still in the markdown stage of the market cycle, even though in the short term, meaning counting only the past 8 to 10 weeks, it has turned sideways between the support level of $54.60 all the way up to the $72 line. Okay, you see this drop from beginning of June, tested the $72 once, dropped back to $54.60, and then now coming back to the 72 range. So that's the situation and the immediate support, okay, other than those key support we were talking about, is 67.75. And of course, the key resistance remains $72. As long as it is not breaking the key level, then that markdown situation hasn't changed. Okay? So, having seen the weekly big picture, now get to the micro view. Last session, we talked about this uptrend, which was briefly broken on last Tuesday, all right? Then it quickly recovered. The boost pushed the price back up. Well, you can contribute or attribute that to the Fed's bond arrangement announcement. That's at the same time, the DXY, the US dollar index, also fell. So these correlations or the consequences is what leading to what we are seeing now in this chart for silver. So we talk about around 21st of August, we will get a confirmation whether the continuation of trend is the tick for the market, or is it a change of trend, getting rejected from the 67.75 back down to find support around the 63.5, like what it did past week. And we get the answer of the first confirmation, meaning continuation of the trend. However, given this move, that sideways, that exited the initial steeper climb, we have to adjust this line, all right, to this. It's still higher and higher lows, just that the rate of ascent is different from the previous climb. You see this and this, there's a gap over here. So what are the dates we're looking at then after adjusting the line? The first is 2nd of September. And the next is 15th. So what are these dates? These are the 2C's decision points based on the 2C's framework. So what 2C's? It's first, continuation. The second is change. So either it continues with the trend, meaning breaking a key level, or it changed the trend, breaking the trend support, in this case of a rising trend. Right? So it's very key for the next few days when the US economic data continues to come out and the Federal Reserve Chairman Kevin Walsh is going to make his speech on the 28th. That's going to further impact how the move will go. Right? If there are any sorts of indication that drives the DXY to go even lower, that's probably the time when silver breaks the $72 resistance. All right. However, if there's no clear indication, then it is probably going to be trapped between this sideways zone, between the $63.50 and the $72, just like what it did back in around the first half of June. Okay, so that's the situation for silver. And let me know in the comment, whether you think this uptrend is going to continue, breaking the $72 by the middle of next month? Or is this trend going to come back down as soon as Kevin Walsh finished his speech this weekend? Remember to subscribe to see the next update. Thank you.